Hello everyone, my name is Jatin and today I'm going to talk about the compensation issue. One of the crucial compensation issues which I would like to address is the budgeting issue. While starting any business, several factors need to be taken care of, including the budget issue. If the business owner knows the budget, then he can hire employees and tell them what they are going to get, like what should be the salary structure and other benefits. Key information. It is important to address budgeting issue with my classmates because in future if any one of them is interested to do business or going for any kind of startup, then they must be aware of this thing and plan their actions accordingly. Moreover, the key information they need to be aware of is how much money is coming in. Then, what are the monthly and annual expenses like electricity and transportation, etc. And most important thing is you need to track your expenses and always try to maintain your budget so that it does not make any effect during the compensation. So the reason why I choose this issue. The reason for choosing this issue is the role it plays in the organization. Budget is something that needs to be strictly followed and helps in the smooth working of the organization. Certain things led to its importance, like it provides a mean of controlling income and expenditure, which also includes how the compensations are rolled out. Moreover, it led you to focus much on the financial part of the organization. How this how this issue relates to our learning. In this course, we are gathering information about compensation and benefits availed by an employee in an organization. It is crucial for the organization that their employees will avail compensation or set of benefits that work as a motivation for employees. But there might be some issues for the compensation department, such as dealing with the budget, how to divide the money based on the position of an employee, and make fair base pay, performance pay, indirect pay using available resources in the organization. So, company needs to address those issues and find optimal solution to resolve them, which is all about this course. Overall advice for this compensation issue. In the end, I would like to conclude that every student needs to focus on the budget while going to develop a business. It tells you what you have in the pocket and how you can provide salary and other financial benefits to your employees. Moreover, students need to know that budget might be a serious issue in case of compensation, and it is crucial that the budgeting process needs to be done accurately. So here are the references, and that's it for the compensation issue. Thank you.